I got the idea for this compost sifter from the Red Gardens channel, and if you want to see a serious gardener with great information, you should check out his channel, and I'll link to it down below. It's just 2 T-posts with some mesh cable tied to it and a tarp down below, so it's fairly cheap. The only expensive part about this compost sifter was the shed that it's leaning up against. I don't actually have anything in this shed, I just built it for this compost sifter. It was very expensive. You just take your compost and dump it at the top. Dump a little at the top and let gravity do the work. Then the small stuff falls through. Small stuff. It's so small. And the big stuff ends up down at the bottom. Big stuff. And the big stuff goes back into the compost pile, and the small stuff goes into the garden. So I hope you enjoyed this video on my simple compost sifter. Whoa, it's raining. And yeah, I've got more compost to sift, so thanks for watching. Bye.